Google AdSense. Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. In today's video, you are going to learn how to add Google AdSense to GoDaddy website. So let's get started. First, sign into your Google AdSense. Here, log into your AdSense account and create an ad unit. For this, go to the Add section and click on Buy and Add Unit. Then create a new ad, copy the HTML ad code generated by AdSense and go to your GoDaddy website. Here, log into your GoDaddy account and click your profile icon in the navigation bar. Then select My Products from the drop-down menu. And now click on your website name and select Edit Website on the right side of the page. Then add AdSense code, click Settings in the website editor navigation bar, choose Google AdSense from the settings menu and paste the AdSense HTML code you copied earlier. And that's how you will be able to add Google AdSense to GoDaddy website.